In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make stickers on Canva to sell. We all love personalized stickers, whether for fun, crafting projects, or as a fantastic business opportunity, and Canva is an excellent tool that makes the process easy and accessible. Let's walk through each step to create your unique stickers with Canva, with tips along the way to ensure your designs stand out and are market ready. First off, you'll want to head over to Canva, which is a free online design platform. If you haven't already, create an account or log in. Once you're in, the first thing you'll need to do is click on the Create button. This button is your gateway, opening up a world of designing possibilities, including our focus today, stickers. By clicking Create, you're setting the stage to choose and customize multiple design templates from Canva's extensive library. Next, look for and click on the Sticker Circle option. Canva offers a variety of sticker shapes, but today we'll focus on circular stickers as they are widely popular and versatile. Picking this template is a great starting point because Canva does a lot of the groundwork for you, setting the dimensions and giving you a base design to work with. This efficiently simplifies the process, leaving you more time to focus on creative aspects and less on technical details. Now here comes the fun part, selecting and customizing your design. You'll want to browse Canva's vast collection of graphics, icons, and elements to find something that resonates with your brand or your intended audience. Once you find a sticker design that you love, simply drag and drop it onto your template. Canva's intuitive design makes it super easy, just like sliding a magnet on a fridge. Customizing is key. You can alter colors to match your brand's palette or mix and match fonts and text to give your design that personal and professional touch. Every small tweak is a chance to add originality to your product, so feel free to experiment. Use the alignment tools for precision, ensuring every element is perfectly placed for that polished look. Finally, when your sticker design is ready, click on Download. Choose a high quality file format like PNG to retain image sharpness. Now your digital sticker is ready to be shared on your e-commerce site or online marketplace. Remember, attention to detail in your designs and quality checks before uploading ensure that what you sell not only attracts but also satisfies your customers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to create exceptional stickers using Canva. Practice makes perfect, so continue experimenting with different designs and styles to expand your sticker collection. Whether selling them on Etsy or using them for personal projects, these tools will help transform your creative vision into reality. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!